Where were you last night?
Starlight was at the mansion.
What?
I chased her outside, but the bitch got away.
She did.
Tech Knight's dead. Probably Starlight and her friends did it. How do you think they knew about the party?
Cameron Coleman wasn't the leak.
So either Sage was lying to you, or she's as useless as tits on a mouse. And fuck, I heard about her performance last night, and sir, I just want you to know that
So, you're the one that let Starlight get away. So how do I know that you're not the leak?
When you found me, my podcast had, I don't know, a couple hundred fans, and folks laughed. Now I'm the fucking anchor at VNN with millions of followers. And they ain't laughing no more.
I really don't care.
Please, just let me finish. Now, I have spent my whole life on the outside looking in. It was you who threw that door open for me, sir. You brought me in. God, you have given me everything. You are everything to me.
What are you doing? I am not sexually attracted to you.
Well, it's isn't about sex. No, this is about loyalty.
You're not pregnant.
There's a long regimen of drugs a person can take to make it happen. It enlarges the heart just a tiny little bit.
You did this for me?
I'd do anything for you. Anything. That's my boy. That's my good little boy.